party started. All right. This is good. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. This is V here, new location, trying out a new location. I hope this location looks much better. I am loving it already. Thank you very much for stopping by. I am using the eyeshadow base by Playing in Makeup by Yolando. This one. And this is the color right here. This is this. So I'm going to use that base. I'm gonna do a full face makeup today in this new location. There's so many changes going on, so I had to give up my old location for something else right now. So I'm back into an old location that I used to have a while back. So bear with me. I hope it comes out good. I hope you can hear me good. I hope the AC is not too loud in the background. So let me know in the comments, please, if you can hear all that AC noise. Okay, now my base is on. Kind of excited because I'm in a new spot and I'm like, yeah, this is nice. Today I am using the Nubian 2 by Juvia'S Place palette. I'll be working with a couple palettes Okay, I'm putting on a base, a skin color base. The eye primer is my skin tone color. See, I have it on and it blends right into my skin. Now I have my skin. Now I have my base down. So I use this flesh color for my base. Now I'm gonna go use this color right there. It is called Jezebel. The first color was Madagascar. So Jezebel is like a wine. Jezebel is like a wine red. So I'm just going to place that over my skin color base. Well, transition color. I'm not sure what I'm going for. I am just testing this new site. So I decided, let me do a video in this site so I can see how it sounds. And I'll put it up whether it sounds good or bad because I want feedback on it so y'all can tell me so I can fix things. So this is what Jezebel is looking like. Now I want to go into Cleopatra, this blue right here. And that blue is a shimmer. The first two colors were matte. This blue is a shimmer. that's what the blue is looking like. Now I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put it in the inner tear duct. I'm looking at the monitor. In the inner tear duct. This color is called Nefertiti. I just like the palette just because for the names. I mean, I like the colors, but the names is extra. Okay. So here we are with this color Nefertiti. I love very much. I know I like to make a mess, but we'll clean that mess. The mess will be clean. Brush, going back into Nefertiti and fixing it right here because I want it to blend in very nicely with the blue. I think if I wet this, I'll get more of a pop. There is a lot going on right now, so that's why I had to relocate my spot. I'm just taking the blue and going over this to blend it in. And for the brow bone, I am going to this color right there. I'm going to put a little something over the brow bone. It's called Zuri. Zuri, I hope. I don't have my glasses. I hope that's what it is. Let's see what Zuri looks like up here. That's Zuri. And I just go back over this color right here, which was the Jezebel, and to make sure I fix the highlighter in my brow bone so it doesn't look too harsh. I hope you can hear me. Okay. This is what the eyes are looking at right now. Let me finish up and I'll be back and we can see what the whole complete face look like. Again, this is the palette. I am back with today's look and I use this palette by Juvia'S, the Nubian 2, and this is the eye look I created. I did a full face eye makeup. I use my Kat Von D 200 Dip Lock It Foundation Powder. I use my Juvia'S Saharan 2 for my blush and my Wet n Wild pencil for lip color. This is everything that I used today. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Please in the comments below let me know how the sound is and the lighting is in this new location. I need the feedback in order to fix everything. And again, bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you today's eyeshadow look. Bye.